Create stunning AI videos using Seedance 2.0 and the latest Seedance 2.5. Now, I just discovered a platform that allows us to use Seedance 2.0 now has Seedance 2.5 and it is free. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you a platform that allows you to use one of the best AI models, Seedance 2.0 and the latest Seedance 2.5 to generate cinematic professional AI videos. Whatever device you have, you can actually access it using this particular tool. Alright, so let's get started. Do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I want to see your comment on the comment section, okay? Using any device of your choice, I decided to use phone, okay, to do this. Now, right on my phone on the browser, type in DOLA AI, this particular one. You can go to your browser or on your phone, download the app from your Play Store or Apple Store. All right, now I'll click on it to open up. All right, once it's open up, this is how the interface looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like on the right left hand top corner. Okay, you click on it, it pops up this way. You click on AI creation. All right, I have been using this tool. Now, once you get to this place, you can do image generation here. You can do video generation. All right, now on the model, click on it. You see 2.5, go for it. On the video, take it to video. All right, make sure it is on video and it is on 2.5. Seedance 2.5. Okay. Now, once you click on it, you paste your video prompt. Now, I decided to do text to video first before going ahead with image to video. All right. Now, I equally decide to insert the size, all right, that I'm using, that I want rather. Then you send it, it starts generating your video. Now, when generating your video, it takes a little time, I think about 30 seconds or thereabout, for your video to be generated. Okay, so you have to give it time. Now, $AI allows you to generate Seedance using Seedance 2.0. Our video is ready. I'll click here and download it, or you preview it first. Okay, this particular platform allows you to generate Seedance using Seedance 2.0, but recently they added Seedance 2.5 to their platform. Okay, so I generated this video. I will be playing it at the end using Seedance 2.5. All right, so I've saved it, downloaded it. You go through it now. The dialogue is accurate. The dialogue is accurate, very accurate when it comes to video generation. All right. Now, having done that, the next thing we will do is try image to video generation. Okay. That is the next thing we'll do. All right. Now, first, I've checked to see if there's an image. There is none. So I'll just download first. Okay. Now, I decide to go to the app. This is the app on my phone. If you're decide to use the app, this is how it looks. Okay, you can see Seedance 2.5, Seedance 2.0 fast. All right, this is how it looks. Okay, so check for an image that I can animate on my phone. Let's go down. None. So what I'll do right now is generate an image first. Okay, let's go with this. Okay, I got one. Now I'm putting in on 2.0. 2.0 fast, and the size 16:9 and the duration 10 seconds. Now, Seedance 2.5 gives you access to 30 seconds video, but this particular platform only allows 10 seconds. Okay, that is the highest duration. All right, so you paste in your video prompt and you send it. It starts generating. All right. So you have to give it some time to generate your video, just like I said earlier, up to 30 seconds, okay, for your video to be ready, right? Now, Dollar AI allows you to generate videos for free, okay, but it has daily limits. It has daily limits. Now the video is ready, okay. I will be previewing it. And another thing about this particular platform is it loves pixel style AI cartoon generation. It rejects realistic images. It prefers generating those images themselves. All right. So if you're to use realistic image to video and it rejects it, try using it in pixel style. So just watch what we generated.
I need you to understand something. I cannot marry you. What happened between us was a mistake and you know it was an accident.
But I'm carrying your child. What? You should marry me.
Think about what people will say.
Give me a chance.
I will support you in the baby, but marriage is not something I can promise you.
Do you really think I stopped loving you?
You stopped showing me.
Maybe I stopped saying it, but I never stopped feeling it. Love isn't always flowers and perfect moments. Sometimes love is choosing the same person even on the days when everything feels broken.
Then choose me.
Every single time.